Okay, we just stopped in the town of Clare, Michigan, and they have a bakery called Cops and Doughnuts. It's my understanding that it's owned by police officers. Since I didn't get a donut the other day at Tim's, which you guys saw in the last video, I'm gonna have a redo in here. Cops and Doughnuts.
This foundation business was within weeks of closing when the members of the Clare Police Department came to the rescue. All of them. That's right. All 9 members of the local police department banded together to save this historic business.
That was in 2009.
2009. And now, like, this is Cops and Doughnuts, but now I think they have, like, chain or something. There's, like, 5 other ones. They're, like, McDonald Precinct, Sutherland Precincts. They're all precincts of this one. But what a fun little store. A lot of memorabilia. You got a restaurant. You got the donuts. You got a gift shop. They sell stuff worldwide. So
yeah.
What a fun little stop.
Pretty cool.
Fun stop.
Pistol enjoyed her donut too. She's hanging back there where we had it because she's wondering if there's any more left. It's all gone, buddy.
Time to roll.
All right, roll out.
I love finding little stops like this.
Yeah.
It's just like this most random thing.
I love donuts.
You love donuts.
We stayed the night in Reed City, Michigan. Not quite to the west side of Michigan, but we'll get there today. But this morning we're going to be going for our little walk outside here with Pistol. It's a nice little trail down here, and then
It's supposed to be like a little swinging bridge or something. The little Mac bridge they call it.
Little Mac.
Little Mac. We're gonna go check it out.
Yeah. I'm going to do laundry while Dave goes for a bike ride. Have fun.
See ya.
See ya. Back.
Good. Good ride.
That ride was for you, Morton.
Our friends from Norway. Hope you get some miles in today.
Laundry's done, bike ride's done, hike's done, lunch is done, and we are off to check out some free dispersed camping near Lake Michigan.
Maybe look at the satellite.
Okay.
We'll have to see what the roads look like.
Oh. We'll have to see what the roads look like. Man, did we ever find an epic spot. This is in the Lake Michigan Recreation Area. It's a national forest land. Oh, check this. I mean, just look at all these trees and green, and look at the ferns and
shade.
Nice. Dave just got back from a run.
It's so humid out here, just saturated.
I had a crazy lightning thunderstorm. I think it was over the lake, because I think Lake Michigan is just over this way a bit. You found out where we are, though.
Yeah, it's the Manistee National Forest, and this is there's a big sign down there that says Nordhaus Dunes Wilderness.
Okay.
And I ran a couple miles up the road, and I'm glad we pulled into here because it's the road turns from dirt and gravel to sand up there. There was quite a few.
I don't like sand.
No, she doesn't like sand. And with this weight of this, it'd be, I don't know, it might do okay, but I wouldn't try it. A lot of not a lot, but probably in 2 miles, I probably saw 5 passenger cars with tents out. It's all a real pretty area, and the spots are really far apart, but I wouldn't come too far past this gravel.
It's beautiful here, though. It's like a rainforest.
So we're gonna go find a place to dip our toes into Lake Michigan today. What do you say?
Yeah.
What do you say, Pistol? I'm gonna get your...
Yeah, your beard is a telltale sign of how humid it is. it's really great. All right, let's get on down the road. Dune climb. Should we go? Pistol can't go.
I bet there's some pretty cool views of Lake Michigan over there.
I bet you're right. Here we go, here we go.
You want to race?
Not really. I don't want to race, I want a piggyback ride.
It's a lot farther than it looks. Because it goes up, and we're just going to keep the bands out of sight back there.
It's like the Energizer Bunny of sand dunes. It keeps going and going and going. Almost there.
Almost there.
What goes up must go down. Dave had to go halfway back up this hill because he had my shirt. I took my shirt off because I have my swimsuit on. It's so hot, but it dropped out of his pocket on the way down the hill. Bless him for going back up there and getting it. I told him to forget about it. Dave saves the day. What a guy. Confession time. We didn't go the whole way.
We went just till we could see Lake Michigan, but
yeah, we were unprepared. We went 3/4 of a mile one way, so 1.5 miles round trip. We didn't have any water. Plus, Pistol was back in the van. We left the air on, the volt start on, but we still don't want to rely on that for her. So we didn't do any recon. I have no idea how long that actual walk was. I genuinely thought it was just over that first hump, and there would be the lake. Like, ah. But that's not what happened.
The key is knowing when to turn around.
Yeah.
And we do.
We did, yep.
But it was nice.
Yeah, so we're going to tootle on up around through the...
See enough sand for a
Sleeping Bear, Dune. We stopped in this town of Glen, I think it is, and it's a historic village, I think, and it's there's a blacksmith shop here, and I don't know what all, but we're going to go check it out.
For tourists.
Yay, that means us.
That means us. Pistol the touring dog.
Tourist Pistol. This water is so blue. It's like Caribbean. Oh.
Breeze off that lake.
Feels so good after that dune hike.
It's like I've been in the Sahara Desert and I'm in the cold lake.
Yeah.
Something like that.
It's pretty warm, actually. It appears we're in Cherryville. I mean, there are cherry stands everywhere. Cherry territory?
Something like that.
We have to stop. I have an idea for a dessert, and I need some cherries for this. Stay tuned. Michigan cherries, freshly washed, straight from the farm.
That lady was so fun.
Mm-hmm.
She's just so laughing and giggling.
Oh my gosh, these are sweet.
We'll call these Dave cherries.
Hmm.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So Dave's friend back home has a port he wants to share with Dave when we get back to Oregon. So I'm gonna come up with a dessert to pair with that port. It's gonna involve cherries. So we're gonna try and bake it in the Coleman oven. I gotta try it ahead of time, see if it'll work, but I've got kind of a plan. Mmm.
Can dogs eat cherries?
I don't know. I feel like I better look that one up.
This says, dang right, we can eat cherries.
You know what she can have?
Look how dark it is.
So dark. They're so sweet. They're like candy. You know what she can have though? A blueberry.
Okay.
One more.
Schnozberries taste like schnozberries.
Everybody got a snack. Down the road we go. We're at a roadside park here. I don't even know where we are, to be honest. We're about an hour south of Mackinac City. And we're not spending the night here, but there's a trailhead right down the road we're gonna crash at. But we came up here to have some dinner and check out the lake, and it's a good spot. Perfect spot for dinner.
Crazy.
Leftover stroganoff. Lakeside.